Diyos na magwag. Topa ngayon, nakakatawa ng suka dito sa kilig. Pumukol Tilo Reyes, rebound of Diyos na magagin. Dito ay Sara. Kapilyon, itinasa sa kalaban. Sara to Bangkale. Bangkale ngayon harap ng suka. Bangkale gusto iiwan ito. O Diyos na magagin. Saga. Tugigot. Tumangkali ang Diyos na magagin. Iniwan ang malaking mama nakikipagsayaw pa. Pagkutira. Pero wala rin. Malaking mama. O Diyos na mag-21. Sayang 2 points. O Diyos na mag-12. Kapilyon. Tumikito. Dito. 2 points. Wala ang tao dito. At kapusas luminong pa. Kapusas 2 points. Palitan lang ng score is for 26-27. Ebebeluro. Yang Puyang. Tilo Reyes. Dito sa gilid. Pumuha ng puwelo sa dito. Tinera. Hindi. Tabla na po mga kaibigan. All 27. Jumpers get ready. Lamang na po ng isa ang Team Il Punto. O jersey number 8, pinapasayaw ito si Umpa. Tingnan natin kung makakalusot ito. O jersey number 24, o jersey number 8, pustak o jersey number 7. Tingnan natin kung makakaputos dito. Game to shoot, kapit awa na bola. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin dito sa ilalim. Sa malaking buwak mama, 5 to shoot. Sala o jersey number 21. Time for the second quarter, 8 minutes and 6 seconds. 10 to shoot. Iba. Pa kaya nagpamadali si Umpa. Turang kalawan yung Umpa. Sumabay ka pa. Pero nakakilakaw. Sala. 13 foul. Nang kaya ni Umpa. Wala. Tingnan natin sa pangalawa. Jumpers get ready. Substitution is number 3. Jasin. Kabusas. Sorry lang. Ojas ngayon. Ojas nga na magtatawid ng bola. Kanan sa kapito. Save one. To Joseph again. Sa ilalim. Ang ganda. Grabe naman yan. Umpa. Bangkale ang Joseph ay. Tingnan natin kung makakapawin si Bangkale. Ang ganda. Timplaw. Di Mataga ang jersey number 5. 8 to shoot. Di Mataga pumukul ng 3. Airball. 7 minutes and 21 seconds for the second quarter. Umpa ngayon ang jersey number 24. Nagpahilo-pahilo ito sa Umpa. Gusto sumubok pa ilalim. Itinapon ni Umpa. Sabi ni Umpa, doon ka mo pa ang tagaibang bansa. It's quarter 33, 27 in the favor of Team Il Punto. Jersey number 8, nakikipagsayo ito sa malaking mama. Tinapunan ito. Harap-harapan si Umpa. Ang ganda ng kaibigan. Bangkale ang jersey number 5. Second quarter. Ikot to Bangkale. To Di Mataga. Bangkale karap itong malaking mama. Katawa sa katawan. Tingin ka mo. Nakakuha ng ball. Kapilyon ngayon. Tumpa. Kamay-lumay-lumay. Gusto susuko. Pinasa na sa kapatid. O jersey number 4. Igot. Ang ganda ka ni Igot. Sumabay ka ba? Pero wala mo rin. Tilo Reyes. Pumukul ng 3. Ano na yan? Tilo Reyes. seconds. Score 38-29 in the favor of Team Il Condor. Jersey number 8, kaharapin si Umpa. Jersey number 8, nakikita sa'yo ito. Ang ganda ng ginawa ni ikaw ni Magkali. Pupol, pupaka, umigawan, Magkali, pupol. Marami naman yung si Magkali. Ginawa sa usawa ng mga malding bana. Hindi ito, pupagin yan! Linuwa! Ito! Ayos ko yung ko. Di mataga ako sa server 5. Kamay-lumaylog kasi bitaga. Di mataga. Pakali ito na nagbawa ng Pilipinas na sa ito. Pero kapabalik. Pero so yung sa'yo sa gilid. Iniwan ito hanggang na nagilipan sa'yo. Nakipag-tiktok pa. Pero kapabalik. Ano na tuto? Di ko makita.
And now Batkali. Batkali now with more. Here comes now Batkali. Going for Stevie single blade, Batkali with this shut down. Batkali to the side, take a pass to Mataga, plenty shield. But Mataga, here comes Masumberami from the outside. And out. And on the last 13. That's a perfect lane, a little lead. Here's Condor. And comes out number 21, and it's off by the right. And there's John, the side door. And the shoot. And now Captain John with ball to make it wide open. What a first there, he gets the good. Still throw, one first get away. And down back, yes. 2 out of 2. 40-33 is the submission score. Here comes now Pancali. Pancali with the ball. Pancali is a former NPBL player of Cebu. Pancali looking for his saving. He's stopping pass. Tackle! Pancali! And it's on the basket! And for number zone, Chop was the away. And the first basket, a triple play will miss out over 43-35 score, 8-point lead to the feed and control. Di Mataga, it was pass on Pancali, well shuffle moves and a step back. Pancali looking for a swing against over 30 shift. Pancali pass! Pancali! It's also a senior player of Mapua. As the design 15 on the shot clock. It was supposed to see by Mr. Eagle. And now, Di Mataga with ball. 6-second play. Pancali wide open. Right now, playing home on the jersey number 12, coming on to Apollo. This is also the famous former player on the outside. And now by five, points. Applaud. And also on Egon. Egon gets across pass to the attack to Egon. Egan to Olias, 15 on the shot clock. Olias is the one. Sable, then to shoot. Substitution. And now making a move sound. Magletic. Checking in. Went on to be division 33. 10. Says on shot clock. Then to shoot. And comes down. Dok Saga. 5-2. Saga. Right now, Alpha, Capillon, to Sanjo. Sanjo against Ferrari. In the pass, Capillon. In the pass, Capillon is a speed. And now Saga. There's a speed of Alpha. Hooks it up. conduct violation, turnover. Rolling from beyond to Brad. And now it is over. Over across the road. You're right. Outside. Not good. Sailing to the world and goodbye. And now even Paris fighting to beyond. When it scores 48-43, 5-point lead. Leaving a team and control. There's now Saga. Get home play 15 on the shutdown. Saga. And looking for Simmons. Send the pass. Arias against Gabillon. Fade away. Jump through. That's 15 seconds on game. 48-45 score. Chance to 3-point lead. Give a big open door. Gets down from beyond to the side. Apan. Now pass on the side. And now Apan pass. Nothing. Rebound on Arias. Sanders play. Eagle basket. And now Alpo ready ball. Last 24 seconds. 15 to shoot. 20 seconds. From Lente. Short. Is grab with the ball. Apan. Pass. Nothing. Shot clock is off. 10 seconds. Down to 5 seconds. It's a lost ball. Baseball pass. It's a single. Last 3 seconds. Pasok na po kasi